Yeah.
during COVID.
Yeah.
And I don't know. I mean, I think
It wasn't from COVID stuff. It was just a whole nother symptom that you were experiencing just for the time, the
yeah,
stress, whatever it may have been.
it
Yeah.
was weird, right? And I don't know if it was because of stress, because kids going back to school and yada yada, and I felt like I was having a lot of anxiety, and I never had
Yeah.
anxiety before, never. And I have. It's not like we live this, you know. I don't think we have this bad life, right?
Oh,
So I don't know where that anxiety was coming from. And I couldn't even drive down the street with the kids in the car without having to stop because I was having those panic attacks and I couldn't figure it out. But anyway, I went through the whole detox and I did a whole 360 on my diet. And I told Taj and the kids, this is how we're going to be eating, plain and simple. And he was on board. He did not argue. You did not argue with me. And I think that was around the same time you had your reckoning and you were like, you know what, I got to do something.
yeah. A little bit after, and that was also a little bit of the final factor because going through COVID, just I'm an engineer and a dentist, doctor, same medical training, and it just didn't make sense to me.
Right.
However, it's like, okay, this isn't making sense to me. However, I'm not gonna have the heart. I'm not getting COVID. I'm not
Yeah.
gonna have these symptoms. We're not gonna do it. And then what really also scared me too is you never called me at work.
Yeah.
You called me at work a couple times saying, "Hey, I'm having these panic attacks. I can't even drive. I don't know what to do." When you're all breaking down, I'm like, "Oh my gosh, what can I do?"
Yeah.
I'm helpless, right? Because
Yeah.
if you want me to come pick you up right now, I will come pick you up, even though I have 40 patients on schedule. I'll come pick you up.
Yeah.
It was real.
Yeah.
And that was a final nail in the coffin, if you will, that I'm living this healthy
Yeah.
lifestyle, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then also too incorporated exercising because even though we did the beach body and stuff so forth,
Yeah.
I didn't exercise every day. I did not think like I didn't have the what's the word? The discipline to do it every day.
Yeah.
I only did it when I felt like it. I did exercise every week, but it wasn't like, Monday through Friday consistent on a structured program. After I guess during COVID is when I got serious, and oh my goodness, it was a 360. So with the exercise, the detox, the diet change and lifestyle, getting more fresh air and sunlight, and getting better sleep and so forth. It's the whole thing.
Yeah.
It's been a total 360.
See, you mentioned it right there because when I think about it, men are stubborn.
Yeah.
We're men. We
Yes.
get on top of anything.
Yes.
Yeah, and a lot of times when we get caught up in this journey of life, we get busy. That's everybody. And the thing is that we make that an excuse.
Okay.
It's a complete excuse.
Okay.
Because if you really want to drink water, you drink water.
Right.
If you really wanted to brush your teeth, you would brush your teeth. If you really wanted to floss your teeth, you would floss your teeth, right? And so, and you said, that discipline, and you're so right. Because when I think about what I had to do, all I had to do was make a decision.
Yeah.
I made a decision. I'm done playing games. I'm going to get on this path and live that healthy lifestyle, right? I'm going to give my body a chance to actually heal itself, be immune to sickness in a sense, or it can recover quickly. That way I can live a longer and better life.
Correct.
I made a decision.
Right.
And when I made the decision, that allowed me to commit to it.
Okay.
And at that point, I won't say it was easy, but it's a very, very simple concept. I committed to it. And when I committed to it, I was all on board with the stuff we talked about, what you just kind of shared with everybody. I'm living it. I'm making a commitment. Whatever it takes, I'm going to do it. And then what I just said there about doing it, that's kind of like the third piece of what happened to me. I decided, I committed, and I just created action. When you do action and you start building those habits up, you get the results that you want.
Right.
Right?
Right.